So how can you use the Google Translate keyboard on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one. So of course, you can use your Google Translate app and use keyboard to type the text in and translate it, but if you actually want to implement the translating feature to the keyboard, you don't have to, or you cannot really stay with the Apple keyboard, as you will need to download a different one from the App Store, namely the Google Gboard. This is the name of the app. It's free to download, so just download it and install it. You're going to get all of the instructions. But the point is that once you have the keyboard set up, you can be anywhere where you're typing, hold down on the globe icon in the bottom left corner. So you switch from the Apple keyboard, but go to the Gboard. And the cool thing about it is that you can use it like a regular one, of course, but there is also the translate feature implemented directly into the keyboard. It just means that you can just start, choose the languages as usual, type your text, and when you click on the confirm button, it's actually translate button, and it will paste the translated text into the text field where you're typing. So this is incredibly useful, for example, when you're texting with someone on WhatsApp or other services, and you don't have to copy the text and translations back and forth, as it just happens all instantly within the keyboard. And it's all free to do, so I cannot just recommend it enough. So let me know what you think below. If you had any issues with it, let me know in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it to help you fix the issue. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.